As a designer, have you ever wanted to check output of print samples? If you're a printer and you want to check densities, screen patterns, you need to be able to see this stuff. And without being able to see it, you can't fix it or make it better. So right now I'm here with Larry Goldberg. He is the technical director at Beta Industries. Hey, Larry, how you doing?
Fine, thanks.
So you guys have some really great innovative products for printers, graphic designers to check what comes off, proofs, presses, and all kinds of stuff. So why don't we sort of give our listeners and viewers here a little background on Beta Industries and what you guys make.
Beta has been around over 50 years, supplying now quality control products for all phases of the print and graphic industry. Offset is our mainstay, but digital printing, flexo printing, gravure, screen printing, t-shirt printing, all of them have to be monitored, controlled, and we supply the tools to do that.
And I guess even people that are doing sort of fine art inkjet photography printing, because you sort of need to be able to see what's going on with this process also.
Sure, their problems are different, but they should be approached the same way. They need to be able to see exactly what the process is doing and be able to control it. We offer the tools that allow them to investigate what might be going wrong on the process.
Let's talk about one of your very cool products is your color checker.
All right, the Beta Color Viewer, now in its third generation, is a device that applies both magnification and illumination to increase the contrast of the image. That's always been the biggest problem, the yellow ink, whether it's an offset, screen process, or even inkjet. Because of its low contrast, it's always been very hard to determine whether it's printing well. So by using color contrasting illumination, you can pick this up. By using blue light, we make the yellow as easy to see as the black. If we put it on a print sample over here, the operator can see very readily details that would otherwise be invisible to the naked eye, even under good white light illumination. The standard unit uses a 10-power lens. 90% of them go out that way. We have microscopes that allow magnification of up to 100 times. So if you're trying to run your inkjet printer with the smallest possible drop size on the best possible substrate, you need to be able to verify print quality, and this is an easy way to do it.
Tell me about your S4 Express, the Beta Color 2. You have some other really cool stuff.
Running a process without having an objective way to measure the output is running with a loose cannon, a car without a speedometer. You don't really know what's happening. You hope that nobody notices when you're running out of control. Process control instruments have to walk a fine line between, of course, they have to be accurate and repeatable, but they also need to be simple enough to be used by the people that are where you deploy them in the field. So we've made a very careful point of making these instruments easy to use without sacrificing any accuracy or reproducibility. These instruments are, for instance, maintenance-free. Any instrument that needs to be plugged in every night, and if you don't plug it in, it doesn't work the next day, the report is it's broke. It doesn't work. It's no good. So we use instruments that work on AA batteries. It has to be simple because we're playing to a very select audience. They have no patience for things that where they would prefer a simpler, more direct approach. So instruments to measure density, dot gain, all the parameters that are important in process color printing, we supply those to the industry.
Yeah, this is some great stuff. Now, Larry, where do people find out more information about Beta Industries and all the things you guys are up to, all the different products? You have a scale of a lot of stuff that's available. Sure. So where can they find this plethora of information at?
On the website, it's Beta Screen. No, I'm sorry. Yes, it is. It is betascreen.com. The company is called Beta Industries, but that was just a change when we thought that screen wasn't modern enough. Turns out if you wait long enough, screen has come back. But the website is betascreen.com. Technical, marketing, sales, pricing information on all of our products can be had there. We have technical support offered unlimited for all of our products, for all of the buyers. 10-day free trials on most of these products because people need to see whether they can make the magic work in their shop. It's good that we can do it, but they need to do it in order to get the return on their investment in these tools.
What I'm amazed about with the color checker is the quality that this is made of, and I think you could run this over with a vehicle and you couldn't hurt this.
Yes. We chose cast aluminum instead of injection molded plastic because in the press room, most pressmen's favorite tool is the big hammer. So something that was finicky and delicate and required careful treatment wouldn't last as long as something that was rugged and robust and does exactly what it needs to do.
Yeah. No, great stuff you guys are doing. Thank you so much, Larry.
Thank you. And thank you for coming to the show.
No, thank you, and we look forward to seeing you soon. There you go, Beta Industries. You can check them out at betascreen.com.